All right, I told y'all 2026, I was gonna go crazy. If y'all didn't believe me, I'm gonna show y'all why right now. I got taste. Right now, we looking for my Procharger because the UPS taking forever. We got the shop app, and we hunting that bitch down right now.
Shop app?
No, the shop app.
Oh,
you found it? Oh, you did.
That shit hard.
Oh, that shit.
He probably got some other crazy shit.
He's got G-Wagon. G-Wagon. Oh, my right nut.
Fuck you.
What is my right nut calling you? Oh, you're just not gonna answer?
Now with your dumb ass in the car, bro.
Oh! Bro, he's right there. UPS, bro. That motherfucker big. Come on, bitch. Oh, he's right there, bro. We following him. Bro, he better go to my house. Oh, bro, you. Yeah, he's right there. He's right there. Oh, we about to get this home. Oh, yeah. I think y'all know the title of this video already. Wait. Nah,
Later.
No, chill. He's on the side of the house, though. There's two, right?
Yeah, I got the other one. I'll bring it. The other one's probably gonna be actually heavy as fuck.
All right, package came. About to do an unboxing video. All right, we got my kit right here. So I bought a whole kit. I saw this on Facebook. I woke up like randomly, like on a morning day. I think it was like Tuesday morning. I woke up, the first thing I did, I was go on my phone. And I don't know why, I opened up Facebook. Like, you know how you guys just check Marketplace whenever you wake up? I don't know if you've ever done that, but like that's what I would do, like usually. So I saw this kit. I saw it for a really good price. This kit goes for like 12 grand plus. So it's a whole kit. Let me show y'all. We got the intercooler right here. So this is an F1 A94 kit. We got the meth alky control kit. It's a lot of fucking wiring, dude. The pump. I'm just like pretending I know what this shit is, but that I have a good fucking idea what it is. I don't know what this line is too, but we got that. And this is the big boy. This is why this shit weighed what it did, bro. I don't want to pull everything out, but this is the manifold. We did end up taking my LT4, my stock blower. What I did was trade my stock blower plus cash on top for this kit. So it saved me about like 2 grand because the guy gave me like 2,000 for the stock blower. I'll just give y'all like a little preview of what I got. Here we got the belts, the intake, Procharger intake, all the hardware. And then in here is my blowout valve. I don't know if you guys can see this, but we got the Procharger blowout valve for those psh noises. The reason, I think I've talked about this before, the reason I got this kit over the Maggie, because it was either this or the Maggie 2650. Honestly, just the noises. I know people are like, why would I go centrifugal? Why would I go centrifugal Procharger? How you say it? How you say it, Ali? I'm saying it right? Centrifugal. Centrifugal. Okay. So
I think you just say Procharger or Supercharger.
all right. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So basically, why would I switch out the stock Supercharger and just go Procharger? Basically, the noises. This kit is rated for 1,300 horsepower. Huh? Obviously, one day I want to push that, but right now I'm probably not going to. Probably just gonna run the Procharger kit, nothing else, just my headers. So we'll see how much power I make. I'm not gonna make too much boost just because my stock clutch can't handle that much boost. But yeah, we bought the whole kit. Hella excited. It's a lot of work that's gonna get done. My homie Ali is gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it. Try to get James to help. I don't know if he wants to help too much on my car because he's focused on his own car. But yeah, we got the whole kit set up. Saved myself about like $5,000, so I'm really excited. The car is gonna sound crazy. I know a lot of you guys thought I got a cam kit because I would always talk about it, but I saw this. I was like, I'm gonna make way more horsepower on this setup. I always thought I was never gonna get this set up before this year. I thought it was gonna be like a next year thing, bro. Because this kit, if you guys know this kit, the F1 A94 kit, fucking expensive, bro. So I saw this, I was like, I can't pass up on this. Shipped it all the way from New York. So that's why everything took so long, is because I was waiting for parts to come in and just waiting for everything else to come in. So I had to ship my stock blower out and I had to ship this here. So that process literally took like 2.5 weeks. So my car just been sitting in the garage. Like I said, I'm gonna put in the clips if you guys want to watch the build. Ali taking off my stock blower and us taking it out. I took the MAF sensors by myself.
Yeah.
So I had Ali FaceTiming me and shit and showing me how to take it off, but I did it. It took me like 30 minutes, bro. That shit was, I fucking cut up my hand and shit. But we should have it on, hopefully, if everything goes smooth by Sunday. But you guys know cars never go smooth. Try to get it tuned by Tone again. Gonna get a retune. So yeah, I leave to Hawaii the 21st. So I do want to try to get it up before then. If not, I obviously don't want to rush it. Yeah, I'm super excited. I told y'all. And then, oh wait, I didn't even show y'all the big ass piece. The whole fucking kit. Boom. The whole reason we got this kit. Here we go.
By the way, the fucking digi died.
Oh yeah. So we're swapping cameras. This fool was like, wrap it up because the camera's about to die. As soon as he said that, shit died. So here we go. Procharger. Big boy F1 A94 kit. Let me show y'all. Boom. Real Procharger kit. We got the 10 rib conversion. This kit had about like 4,000 miles on it. So not too much. I'm not going to spin it too much because it doesn't have any oil. But yeah, it spins. I'm not going to spin it at all, to be honest. But yeah, this is a big ass blower. If you guys can't tell, like my dick is the same size as this. Because I be measuring it like this. You know, like it goes alike. You know what I mean?
You guys.
Right? You know what I'm talking about right now? Super excited. Looks like a turbo, dude. Literally looks exactly like a turbo. I'm probably going to keep it black just because I really don't care. I think it matches the aesthetic pretty well. It's going to be a process, a garage built for sure. Let me show y'all one more time all the hoses and shit like that. I just don't want to pull anything out because I don't want to put it back. You know what I mean? I don't want to lose anything. There's a lot of hardware, but everything's included. Came from a shop called RTM Performance in New York and Deer Creek. We got all the hoses right here, inlets. So yeah, it should be a fun process. I don't know if you guys are excited as I am. Yeah, my dogs are running in the back. Hey, stop it. I'm gonna input the other clips. Probably gonna film the outro right now before I end the video. So yeah, if you guys are new, make sure to subscribe. We're about to hit, I think we already hit 6.4 thousand subs. So let's try to hit 7,000 by the end of next month. Because I'm not going to have any videos planned because I'm going to Hawaii for 10 days, like I said. But follow my Instagram to stay updated. I'm going to post every update on there if you guys don't follow me already. I love y'all boys. I hope y'all are excited for the journey. We're on the road to 1,000 horsepower. This is going to put us a good amount. So I'll see y'all in the next video. Love y'all. My boy Ali is here. James might be pulling up later. He's got a lot to do, so he's probably going to be working, but we'll see if James pulls up. Right now, Ali, you want to tell him what you're doing right now?
Right now I'm disconnecting all the wire harness, which goes to injectors, which is tied right here on the supercharger. And then I'm gonna start taking off the intake, and we're gonna go from there for the supercharger removal.
Yeah. So we are going to be removing the supercharger. I'm gonna be documenting the whole thing. Ali's gonna be helping me today. We're gonna try to get the whole supercharger off. We have to lift it out of the car and stuff like that. Then I gotta ship it out. Intake's off, huh?
Intake, daughter body, all the vacuum lines are off. Your belt is officially off already. I'm disconnecting coolant lines that go to your supercharger. I'm gonna disconnect your battery right now so I can disconnect any electrical, and we'll start getting on the blower.
Yeah. And you've only been working on it about like 10 minutes. I went to go shower, come back, and it's fucking already have half of it done already. What would you say like the hardest part is?
Probably the rear of the blower, the rear bolts, and the map sensor.
The good thing is, bro, they cut this portion off of it. Remember when I was getting my carbon hood installed?
Yeah.
They fucking trimmed that bitch. Is that a good thing or a bad thing?
I think it might work in my favor, so
Yeah.
I think it's a good thing.
More clearance and shit like that. The belt right here. Intake off. Then I gotta ship the blower out. The guy sent the box. I gotta ship it out to New York. And then we gotta pick this blower up. So Ali said it weighs like 80-90 pounds. So we're gonna try to pick that bitch up and then put it on the ground for right now. We got the lid off. Damn, so it's pretty easy install if I were to get like a DSX lid or something like that, huh?
Yeah.
Just fucking
20
bolts.
bolts.
Yeah.
So look how hot it is.
Oh yeah, it's fucking hot.
And you put it down quick. I'm burning.
Alright, you want to give a little what we're looking at right now?
Alright, this is a supercharger. These bolts are what holds the supercharger to the head, so you gotta take off the lid in order to take off the supercharger. These are the coolers for the supercharger. So it's pretty basic. Cooling lines go in here, they route to here, coolant goes through here, cools the supercharger.
So what's the next on the list?
Disconnect battery, disconnect electrical, and get started on the supercharger.
So you got disconnect the throttle body?
Yeah.
That shit hot?
No.
So what are you disconnecting right there?
This is your vacuum for your supercharger. Sensor right there. Throttle body sensor. 2 sensors right here. All your vacuum cooling lines are finally off. So we're gonna get started on your supercharger. So you have bolts right here. Should have a bolt right there, and another sensor. And then your blower should come off.
So pretty straightforward, huh?
Pretty straightforward if you know what you're
Yeah. If you've done it before?
doing. Yep.
Yeah.
A lot of people forget that there's still 2 bolts right here. It should be 10 in total. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This one you probably get it with the gun. This one you have to get it with the wrench.
Alright, we got that bitch off, bro. Me and Ali watched the video. This motherfucker just grabbed it, like literally by himself. Dude, that shit was heavy. We couldn't even record. But there's a fucking supercharger out.
Literally like 100 pounds.
Yeah, there's a supercharger. There's the lid right there. It's gonna be sitting in the garage for, well, we still have to ship out my supercharger. He's gotta send my kit back to figure out what parts I'm gonna need. We're gonna have to mock everything up. It's just gonna sit on there, right? Instead?
Yeah, the manifold?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just gonna be a manifold. It's gonna bolt onto here. I'm just gonna go like this.
Okay.
Walk around them bills, walk around them bills, yeah, walk around them bills. Fucking with that big Cancun, hitting on it, and I know I do. Hitting on this, and I know I do. Fucking with that, and I know I do.